What's up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. So we are going to be doing the 2026 New Year's fire alarm test. So we got that, we got the exit sound blaring, and then we got a ton of things. It should be really loud. So yeah, we got 1 more minute left until it's 2026. So let's just wait, and then I'll go. We're almost there. So, yeah. Oh yeah, they're already doing fireworks. Okay, 30 more seconds. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 16, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year. Let's activate it. That's it for these New Year's. It's been a great year, and I hope you guys another good year. So see ya. Oh!